Hey! 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 Hey, get the fuck up, man! Don't you hear your alarm? Let's go, man. I want to see the fucking road. I only got so much time.
No!
What the fuck did you just throw at me? I come up here all this... Oh, this is great. It's a nice day, man. I think I picked the perfect week to be doing the ride-alongs. And I'm glad you convinced me to do this. I mean, this is a hell of an idea. And like, you know, I've been on those construction sites for just too long now. Yeah, so it's good for a change. Like, over the last year, made all those videos for my YouTube channel, and I wanted to make something different. I mean, it's a fucking hell of an idea. This is gonna be great. So yeah, then that cunt. I don't know what the fuck is her problem, but, you know. I don't know, that's just the way they are, I guess. It was this fucking guy walking on the side of the road.
This guy's committed. Where the heck did he walk to?
Must have broke down or some shit.
Yeah, dude. He's definitely a truck driver. He's got a headset. And his ass is all dirty.
What fucking
oh man, oh man.
Yeah, fucking probably is though.
Man, someone's got that curve a few times real good.
Oh, where? Oh, over on your side. Yeah, fuck, look at that shit. That's in need of repair. Fuck. Yeah, this whole fucking area looks like it's in need of some repair, actually. What a shithole. Glad I don't live around here. Fuck. How the fuck does anybody live down here? See any fast food restaurants around here? Fuck, I could use a burger or something. Gas station out that way. She's green. Yeah, there's a fucking McDonald's right there. Let's go. Jesus, the fucking sun is bright tonight.
I can't see anything.
Holy fuck. Fuck, is it busy? What is it, rush hour now? What time is it? How the fuck are we gonna get in there? Oh my god. Cars on every fucking side of us. Oh, here's another stream of cars. This is fucking nuts. Everywhere you look, there's a motherfucker. Watch out, there's a cunt in your left-hand lane there, right behind you. Fuck me. Well, I guess we'll just stay in this lane for the rest of the drive. How the fuck do you lane change this shit? Fuck me, that was a long day. Holy shit, how many miles was that? Every fucking day you do this? Oh my god. Gotta be a place to eat around here. Oh my god, I'm fucking starving. So now what? How much fucking around do you have to do now?
The order's gonna be easy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my doors open now. And let's get it done. Oh, I gotta unlock it. Oh, come on, man.
Could use something to drink too. Fuck. Thirsty. Well, let's go take care of this shit.
You guys are gonna like this.
Yeah, I think you're fucking people interested in what you do, man.
So I was about to have another bad lock. Last week, put a bad lock on. Wouldn't come open.
Oh, really? Fucking shitty lock or what? Door open? So what the fuck are we even hauling today? Boxes. Okay, so I just picked up the door there. Alright. Other side too. Alright. So that's it, eh? So some motherfucker just comes with a forklift and picks up the shit out of the truck and away we go, eh? Okay. Alright, well that's a pretty good first video, man. Thanks.